trying to do digital marketing, but you're doing it on a very small budget? And can you get results with spending only $5 per day? Is it possible? In this video, we're going to answer those questions for you. The short answer is yes, technically. But if you're serious about leads, sales, and growth, then we need to talk a little bit more. Let's be real. You can start with $5 to $10 a day, but at that level, you're not running a campaign, you're buying data. You're testing audiences, testing hooks, and learning what not to do. It's important that you're using that budget to understand where to apply a larger budget. That's fine. Everybody needs to start somewhere. And if $5 a day is all you have to spend, then so be it. But just know this, if you're spending only $5 a day and expecting qualified leads tomorrow, you're basically throwing darts, blindfolding, and hoping you hit a bullseye. If your goal is real, consistent lead generation, you need the budget at least about $30 to $50 a day per platform. And here's why. 1, you need enough spend to get your ad seen. 2, you need enough clicks to actually trigger the algorithm. In Facebook, they say it needs to take at least about 100 actions before the algorithm actually knows who to put your ads in front of. And lastly, number 3, and enough data to know what's working and what's not. The algorithm needs to know where to apply your ad spend in the best placement and in front of the best user so we can get you the best results so you can continue to spend money on the platform, whether it be Meta or Google. Now, without that, you're stuck in the learning phase and never graduate into real optimization. On Facebook, about $30 a day lets you start testing audiences and creatives. At $50 a day, you can actually start to run split tests, build a funnel, and start retargeting. On Google, it depends on your keywords, but again, $5 a day barely gets you a click in some industries. If you're anything remotely competitive, legal, dental, home services, coaching, you want to spend at least $30 to $50 a day to make it worthwhile. So yes, you can start small, but don't expect magic at $5 a day. Think of your ad budget as a tool, not a gamble. Start small to learn, scale when you know what works, and when you're ready to grow, spend like someone who's serious about results. That's how you win with paid ads. Now, don't get me wrong, you can actually spend $1 to $2 a day. And actually, I encourage every single business to spend at least $1 to $2 a day and just have that evergreen ad that's going to run. My personal favorite objective on Meta, for example, is collecting video views. And you can just let that video run as long as possible, collecting people that watch, say, 15 seconds of that video. Because maybe in the future, you want to run some sort of an offer or campaign. You're going to have a very mature audience of people to target that are familiar with your brand from that initial video. So always run at least one ad of $1 to $2 a day, no matter what campaign you're running. Even if you're a seasonal business, spend $1 a day in the off season just to continue to keep your business top of mind for when that season comes around and it's time to increase that ad spend. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.